to another video. So today we discuss about the roasting of coffee, the next step of process of roasting of green coffee. Coffee is usually the solid roasting state with a rare exception such as infestation from green coffee bean. Coffee is roasted before it consumed. It can sold stored by supply or it can home roasted. The roasted process influences the taste of beverage by changing the coffee bean, both physical and chemical. Taste of beverage the changing the bean decrease in weight as moisture is lost or increase in volume, causing it become the less dense. The density of bean also influences the strength of the coffee and the requirements of packaging. The actually roasting begins when the temperature inside the bean reaches approximately 200 to 392 Fahrenheit. So different varieties of seeds differs in moisture and density, therefore roasts of different rates. During roasting, caramelize occur as intense hard break down stretches, changing them in simple sugar and begin to brew, which darkens the color of bean. Sucrose is rapidly lost during the roasting process and may disappear entire the dark process during roasting. Aromatic oil and acid weaken, changing the flavor. Other oils start to develop. One of these oil caffeine is created by 200 degree and the largely responsible for coffee aroma and flavor. The difference of caffeine content between a light roast and dark roast is only about 0.1%. Depending on the color of roasting beans and preserved by a human eye, they were be labeled as light, medium, dark, very dark. A more accurate method of decreasing the degree of roasting involves measure the reflecting light of roasting seed illuminated with the light source in near infrared spectrum. This elaborate light meter uses a process known as spectroscopy to return a number of constantly indicate the roasting coffee relative degree of roast and flavor development. Coffee has in many countries have been graded by size longer. Then it have graded by quality. Grading is generally done by size. Number to indicate the size of perforation. Roastic characteristics, the degree of roast, fake coffee flavor, the body, the color, and bearing the effective the degree of roasting. Darker roasts are generally broader because they have less fiber content and more sugar flavor. Lighter roasts have more complex, therefore possess strong flavor from aromatic oils and acid otherwise destroying by long roasting time. Roasting does not alter the amount of caffeine in bean, but thus give the less caffeine with beans as measured by volume because it's being expanded during roasting. A small amount of chaff is producing during roasting for skin left on the seed after processing. Chaff is usually removed from the seed by air movement through a small amount is added to dark roast coffee to soak up oil on seeds. The decafeation in the coffee seed is done in still green. Many methods can remove coffee from but is involved either soaking the green seed in hot water often called Swiss water process or the steam them using a solvent dissolved caffeine containing oil. Decafeation is often done by processing companies and extracted caffeine is usually sold to a paracetamolic industry. Decaffeination of coffee seed is done while the seeds are still green. Many methods can remove caffeine from coffee but are involved in the soaking. The green seed in hot water. Swiss water process and steam them. Then using solvent is dissolve caffeine, entire oiling. Decaffeination is often done by processing company. Extracted caffeine is usually sold by paracetamol industry.